Good. So it's been lots of fun.
I'm looking forward to it. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. But yeah, it's got extra oomph over stock, so it's yeah. You'll see it.
It's a nice sleeper.
Oh, people don't expect it often, so they don't know these cars are not that well known, but yeah, or not that popular. But yeah, you'll see.
I keep thinking my heated seat is on, but it's not, right?
It is off now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the light is busted, so you won't see if it's on or off.
Yeah, the light just popped the other day. It's off. Do you want it off?
I want it off for sure. Yeah, please. Thank you, Jed.
Yeah, we got the studded Hakkas just this season because when we lost the other vehicle, the insurance decided we're not covering you for what's it called? Collision anymore. And I said, I'm gonna get the best tires possible, so if it's the chances are less that it's our fault.
This thing's got great traction.
Oh, the tires are great, yeah. I mean,
oh, that's where we turned.
to me, that was the best choice of tire.
Yeah.
Because it's won lots of tests. So I used to have the studless ones, but I thought usually when I slip, it's on ice. And I just want to have that extra edge because that is the only time it could be my fault. If I slip into someone.
Yeah.
And these tires will help me not do that. And that's extra insurance for her. So I said, we need to sign up and get you... yeah, you should go second. Because it does have a little bit of a boost lag, but it's a twin scroll turbo. So if you want power, anything above 2,500, you'll get good torque.
What I'm looking for at this point is to just get an idea of what the car does, and I'll be honest with you, I drive with torque more so than horsepower.
Yeah.
What I'm doing is, as a rallyist, I start on the outside, I look through the corner.
Yeah.
And if you're looking through the corner, you can tell me as it opens up. And I can start accelerating. Now I want to try something here with the brakes. Did you feel that a little bit?
Yeah.
Are you familiar with left foot braking?
Not really. Not really. I haven't really done a lot of that. That's what you just did.
Pardon me?
You just did that left foot braking. You could feel
Yeah.
that, right?
Now, try and see if you could. Did you feel what the car did?
Yeah, it planted it from the front.
Yeah. Now, I done a lot of left foot braking with front wheel drive, rallying, and then with all wheel drive. Now, I'm way out here because it tightens right at the end here.
Yeah.
So I'm just able to carry more speed. Oh, tap the brakes.
Don't chug it, please. Can you just switch a second? Yeah.
1500's a bad thing?
Well, the thing is, what I read, and maybe you correct me if I'm wrong, with the modified engines, if you floor it and ask for lots of power in low RPMs, that's for modified engines, that's not recommended.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
First of all, we can put all the power we want, but we're just going to get wheel spin.
Yeah.
So there won't be any, wild slides and drifts and stuff like that. We don't have enough tire on here for one. But just by using the gas on and off, did you feel like I just let off the gas there and it tightened the line? So what I'm trying to do is learn what the car will do. So I'm not telling you to do something the car won't do it.
I'm actually interested in when you apply brakes, so if you can just highlight it for me.
So threshold braking.
Yeah.
Your tires actually get better traction when they're slightly sliding. But that is a very fine line, and that's something else that I'd like you to be able to experience and learn about today. See, this hasn't been chewed up out here, so it's very slick. I'm in second this time.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
And waving us past.
Oh, pass.
Well, he's waving him past. Dietrich is an experienced instructor. He's been doing this for at least 30 years. So he knows. So they're trying hard, but because they're leaning on the gas pedal, it's front wheel drive and it's just understeering.
So in a race,
We're still in the corner, but we can accelerate more, right? Oh, you want to use the whole track.
Yeah.
See, that time I just lifted off the gas a little bit and I got the weight transfer, right? Okay, so I'm driving into the corner. I know it's a fairly tight corner. I'm on the outside, braking. I'm looking ahead through the corner, turning in, hitting the apex. Next corner's over there. I'm trying to straighten my line a little bit. I know that I want to stay wide here. They're going to go inside, that's fine. I'm staying wide to make a corner that's not so sharp here.
what if I want to take that corner and slide a bit and then straighten myself a bit?
Pointing you by him, probably. No?
There's that sway bar working for us.
Mm-hmm.
Now, one of the things with understeer, and I'm sorry, Katya, I'll be there in a second.
Okay.
If you're understeering, you need to point the tires the way the car is going. So if I start to plow that way, I need to point the wheels that way, but I need to do what I can to square it up. Now, Katya, your question was about...
If I want to take the tire and turn a little more tight, like not as wide.
Not as wide?
Yeah, like what they were trying to achieve, and to straighten myself up afterwards. How would you take it?
Well, I want to keep in mind where I want to be at the end of the corner. Right?
Yeah.
So, you're talking about through here?
Yeah, let's take it a little tighter.
Tighter.
Yeah, tighter.
Okay, if I go tighter, that means right now I have to slow down to make this tight corner.
Okay.
Okay? The other way is I start out wide and I can carry more speed through the corner. Now, one of the issues is that we have pretty inconsistent traction. Now, some parts of the track have more traction than others. Now, there's 3 corner types. And they all depend on the length of the straightaway, really. Want to make your straightaway as long as possible.
Yeah.
So this is the straightaway. You want to be finished this corner
Yeah,
and accelerating as early as you can. Good. And I thought you'd know that, but I wanted to make sure.
Oh, we went up to 100. That went quick.
Where is everyone?
We just leave him in the dust, in the snow dust, huh? Or are we done with the track?
Well, I didn't see the flag man tell me anything, and we're coming up to a group of cars.
So we're just catching up with everyone.
Yep. So, Tatya, in answer to your question, the corner is kind of sacrificial. And now I'm turning in here to get on the inside here to let me accelerate out to here, and then I can keep accelerating.
See, he goes from one side of the track to the other side. That's something they told me at the raceway as well. You use the full track to your advantage. Always use the whole track.
So
all the room you have.
Is making like just a slide.
You feel how that was sliding?
Yourself up?
Yeah.
Sorry?
There's no way to so it's not efficient to make like a sideways slide and try to reposition yourself straight. I don't know if you know what I mean.
Well, to oversteer like this, so we come into the straightaway. One of the other instructors came out when the STI first came out.
Yeah, something like that.
Sideways on the straightaway isn't fast.
It's not what?
Sideways on the straightaway isn't necessarily fast.
Okay. I was wondering if that would be better because you don't need to do a lot of wheel movement to restrain it yourself and then lose a little bit of momentum.
But sideways is fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Totally.
So, I used the left foot on the brakes there. I gave it a couple taps, got it to bite, and then I accelerated.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's left foot braking. I have to still learn that. I'm probably gonna slam it too hard because I'm used to just clutching with the left foot. So
You've got really good brake pads in the front, so
you can feel it.
you have to have a feather touch on the pedal.
Yeah, and I also put stainless steel brake lines. So
Oh, good.
That also helps on the track. So.
My first experience with left foot braking was in 1978 when they had the Porsche 911 Turbo. And they had it on the track at Mont Tremblant and in Quebec. And the guys couldn't make the car go fast. And a guy that ice raced a Volkswagen Rabbit went out and showed them how.
Oh, yellow. We got yellow.
And he put it away.
Sounds like you're having fun.
Yes. It's your turn now.
How do you like the car?
It's mixed company, so I can't use all the really colorful language I'd like to use. It's lovely.
No, go ahead.
It's great.
You can
You
go
just
ahead.
saw the way I went through there. This is a plaything.
I know. It's
This
why I
is
bought
just
it.
quite insane. And are you familiar with the expression "power corrupts"?
Yeah. Power comes with great responsibility.
Yeah,
something
too.
like that.
Yeah, that's another one. Yeah.
I know. That's.
Did you feel any of that, by the way?
No.
We just fished around. Just tucked the tire on the inside bank.
Yeah. Use the snow whenever you can.
And that just gave us a bunch of traction. Now, hand out the window. We're pulling off into the pits. I've stayed driving your car longer than I should.
Well, it sounds
normally
like
I just get a couple laps.
That's why I said sounds like you're having fun.
Yeah. I was.
Yeah, we were here.
I hope you enjoyed it too.
Oh, it was good to see. What's possible, what can be done. So how do we get back on
you know
the
what?
track?
I apologize. I don't know how long the sessions are.
That's all good. Actually,
I
you
had
know
to
what?
Honk.
Your driving was actually very informative for me, so I appreciate it actually.
He's like, what is this guy doing?